Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart a frozen screen on your iPhone. And this is easy to do. All you have to do is press these buttons in combination. So this will be the volume up, volume down, and then hold down the power button on the side. So let's do it now. Volume up, volume down, and then hold down the power button on the side. You're going to see this power button where we can slide to the right. You can ignore that and just continue to hold the power button on the side right here. And then my phone is going to go to black. You can let go now and your phone will restart. And it's going to just boot up like normal now. And then you should be able to just start using your phone. So if your phone is frozen or there's a black screen, you could try restarting it by doing the button combination. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.